Absolute Audio Visual Solutions was given the opportunity to again work with Advertising Week Europe for their 2024 event. This year, the event moved to its new home, at 180 Studios London, where we were asked to provide a seamless technical solution for audio, video, lighting, and staging across the full theatre spaces. We also provided AV for multiple activations, networking areas, and meeting spaces. 83 technical crew members were assembled to build and operate a schedule with back-to-back presentations. 64 channels of RF for radio microphones were utilized to ensure each session could be heard perfectly, both on-site and for those viewing the live stream. 15,000 meters of cable was used in order to bring this event to life. The 3-day event saw over 160 sessions recorded, with 87 being live streamed to produce 43 hours of on-demand content. Our client was delighted with the service and solutions we provided at this European leg of a global series of events. For further details on how Absolute can help you with your next event's technical requirements, please don't hesitate to get in touch.